Good morning, students. Today we are discuss about the chemical changes. Already you know that physical changes and the chemical changes. Physical changes means it's come back to the own positions, right? Yeah, example of that balloon. We are filled that air. After that, what happen? It's a you remove that air means it's again it's changing to that shape. Okay, come back to the shape. So example of the stretcher of the rubber band, right? Stretcher of the rubber band, what happened? You are stretching rubber band, after you are leave it mean what happened? It's again it's come back to the own positions only. That is physical changes. So next now today we are discuss about that chemical changes. So chemical changes is here creating a new formation of substance. Different chemical compositions are a transformation of a substance into another substance with the evaluation or absorption of the heat or light energy, or the termed as the chemical changed. Okay, so what happened? It's creating a new substance. It not come back to the own substance, it's creating a new substance. That is we are telling to the chemical changes. Chemical changes. Chemical changes. Okay, so example of that rusting of iron, burning of paper, curdling of milk, reaction of the baking soda with lemon juice. Fermentation are some example of the chemical changes. Now you see that rusting of iron. So the iron react with the oxygen. Iron react with the oxygen. What happens? Immediately it's a form of that rusting. Okay, துருப்பிடிக்கிறது. Rusting means another துருப்பிடிக்கிறது. Okay, so that is the rust. Okay, so next one's burning of paper. So you take the one paper and burning means what happened? The paper changing to that husk. Okay, so it is here creating a new substance, right? It's not come back to that husk. We are not able to change to that paper. Okay, the husk changing means it's only for husk only. We are not able to change that paper. So what happened? It is a chemical change. The chemical change is creating the new substance only. So next one you see that lemon juice. Okay, example of the lemon juice. Okay, so that one. So next you see that the chemical changes are the very important in our lives. All the new substance which use the various field of our life are produced as a result of the chemical reaction. Some of example of important the chemical changes. Now you see that first one. Metals are extracted from their naturally occurring components called the ores by a series of the chemical changes. So now any one metals you are taking means that one you have to react with some other chemicals means creating a new substance. Okay, so that is so medicines are prepared by the carrying out a chain of the chemical changes. So third one, the materials such as plastic, soaps, detergent, perfumes, acids, bases, salt, etc. are made by the carrying out variation types of the chemical changes. Okay, next one, every new material is dissolved by the studying different types of chemicals. You know that what are more than materials, more than substance is a react with the chemicals. It's a dissolved. Some of the chemicals dissolve in the water. So that why we are telling to the water universal. So water another name is universal. Okay, so next you see that in addition to new product following many may also the accompanying the chemical change. So heat, light or any other radiation may be given off or observed. So the chemical reactions, so the two substances you are taking and react means what happens here? Depend on the light or heat. Once it's observing, another one is liberating. So example of you take the washing soda and water. Also you are taking and first one, one cup you are taking to the water and you are mixed to that washing soda. What happened? You are using your hand. What happened? You are observing to the heat. Okay va? So that is the water plus washing soda react with liberate to the heat energy, right? So that is a chemical energy. Sound may be produced, a change in the sound may be produced now. So nowadays what you are doing, what festivals, the Deepavali, the cracker you are burn means what it's here creating to the big sound, right? So that is the chemical. Okay, next one is the color change may take places. Already we are know that laboratory, last year laboratory you are seeing that litmus papers we are using. Some of the acid chemicals we are taking means the litmus paper change the colors. Basis means it's changing the colors. That one we have to, that chemical base or acid we have to find out easily, right? So next you see that explosion of a framework. The explosion of the firework in the chemical changes, we know that such the explanation produce heat, light, sound and the unpleasant gases that pollute the atmosphere. Okay, so what happened nowadays that your big festival of that Deepavali, all the one burn to that crackers. The cracker exposed to that big sound, chemical gases, more than chemical gases. Next chemical also it's leave it out, right? The powders. So these and all it's affected our surrounding, our environment also. So our global also affected. Okay. So next these and all it's harmful chemicals. Okay. Next you see that rusting of iron. So how to that rusting of the iron. So now you see that in the class 6 we have already studied that the rusting of rusting, it's an the example of the chemical change. Okay, so now you see rusting. The rusting is one of change that affect iron articles and slowly destroyed them. Since iron is used in the making the bridges, ships, cars, truck bodies and many other articles, the monetary lose due to rusting in the hug. The process of the forming the rust in the representations. So iron plus oxygen. So iron react with the oxygen. What happen? The water plus the rust. Okay va? So then for rusting to the make place both oxygen and water is essentially in fact if the content of the moisture. Air is high. The air is said to be more humid and eventually rusting is faster. Next one, burning. You see that burning. Example of you are taking to the one paper. You are burning means what? The paper changed to that. The paper changing to the husk. Right? So you see that the burning a piece of the paper give the entirely new substance such as the carbon dioxide, water vapor, smoke and husk. Heat and light are also given out during the burning of the paper. So now you see you take the one bit paper, that one you are burning means what happens? Liberate the heat energy. Okay, one paper you burn pannita adu pakkathula pennina enna agum? You are feel that heat energy, right? So that one. So what happened? The paper react with fire. That times it's a liberate to the heat energy. Okay, we cannot combine the produced of the burning of the paper to form of the original paper again. So finished. What you are doing means you are burning the paper means it's a changing to the husk. So you are taking to the husk whenever whatever it is your chemical you are added that husk means it won't change to the own position. It's a won't change to the own position only. Okay, so that is it's a creating the new substance. That is here it is here physical changes only. Okay, it is a permanent change. When the magnesium ribbon burns in the air, then the magnesium metal combines with the oxygen of the air to form a new substance is called the magnesium oxide. So magnesium plus oxide creating with the magnesium oxide. Magnesium plus oxygen react with create a new substance, that is a magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide compound appear as a white powdery ash. Okay, the burning of magnesium ribbon is a chemical change because a new substance, the magnesium oxide, is formed during this change. Thank you, children.